I'm Maithili. I'm one of the practitioners at Aashwasan. I've been with Aashwasan for the last 18 years, and it's a very deep sense of assurance and a very happy moment to see the journey that I've taken, that thousands of lives have taken here, and it's such a blessing to have been a witness to all those journeys. This has been a home for people who wanted to feel home with themselves. It has been a space where people have been unconditionally accepted, not judged at all. And that has been such an assurance for people who have come here. And it has been the same for me. Whether my health or my purpose of life or my creativity or authentic understanding or knowing of myself, this is where I have found. And it is a space of hope, love, compassion, divinity. It's divine. I feel the presence of God. I feel it's God, what I feel inside. And it's constant. Come what may, that constancy doesn't go. That sense of belongingness to this life, this is where I found. And it's been such a deeply assuring hope for so many thousands of lives that it has been such a blessing to be able to walk with them. And Rashmi has made this possible for many, including me. She's connection with life. She's my awareness about myself. She's love that I feel. She's the connection that I feel with life. She is a wonderful human being. Yes, she's spiritual. The real definitions, or maybe not definitions, but the one who really broke all definitions that I knew in my head and showed me that in this moment, what you feel is what your reality is. And life is about those moments where you are, and life is about those moments where you experience. I really congratulate Rashmi for having been an entrepreneur of spirit. She leads. She's a leader for souls in this world. She's not here to tell, do this, do that. She is just here to show a mirror. She's just here to show you to you. I think this is the greatest and the most profound way of being with somebody, really mentoring or guiding somebody, is to say that you have it, just move ahead with trust in you and awareness about you.
Aashwasan for me is a space of hope. It's a reminder that we can be better human beings every single day. You really come to realize to value your life, where every day matters. Rashmi she's the embodiment of Aashwasan because she lives all the values that Aashwasan is about. She's someone who believes in your dream. She's someone who sees the best side of you no matter what.
Aashwasan to me is a space where I learn to let go so many things. I learn to accept my imperfections, love myself more, trying to go with the flow, although it's very hard, but slowly learning the awareness that I get being in this space really helps in, making a lot of choices which has helped me to move on in my life with so many things. In general, there has been a lot more acceptance and I feel I'm slowly learning more about what self love is. And yeah, love this place and love the people around. Uh, Rashmi, to me, is an amazing guide. Um, I look up to her for a lot of things. She is an eternal friend.
Hi, I'm Priyanka. I'm an Aashwasan practitioner. So you asked me a question, what is Aashwasan for me? Aashwasan for me has always been a home ever since I walked in 2011, and I always felt the warmth and the embrace of nature every time when I stepped into Aashwasan. So I always say that, you know, I actually come and be at home when I'm in Aashwasan, and when I'm back home, it's a different space altogether. So that's been my experience. So Aashwasan is my home. So for me, the experience with Rashmi has always been, I think the space that I always felt is unconditional love. And I always felt held. I always felt supported. I always felt guided and mentored and showed me the path ahead. And I don't see her as a form or structure, but I always know her as a sense, and I think that's when I feel her the best, as a sense. She takes me closer to myself, and she helps me discover who I am. And that's been my experience in the last 12 years, walking this journey, that every day it took me closer to who I am and exploring the possibility. I love humanity, and this journey that she facilitated uh, gave me that curiosity to love humanity and discover the possibilities of humanity, all through the method called love. So for me, she is love. She's an experience, and she's always been that mother who protected, you know, even if she's not in front of me. So I just can't put her in words, but she's a sense inside me, and I can feel whenever I close my eyes, I can feel, that sense. And it's what do I say? It's like a protection. I don't have right words to describe, um, but I feel blessed to have met her and experienced this. And I'm truly happy and grateful that I'm part of this journey and this revolution of Ashwasan. And we are completing 18 years. It's magnificent 18 years. Um, and I truly wish that this journey walks lifetimes and touch people's life and transform them and make a difference in every heart, because I think all of us have some ache or pain or something that we are always discovering or seeking. So I truly wish and pray that every one of you find a path or a home like this for you in your heart and soul. And yes, happy birthday, Rashmi. It's been truly, truly amazing and a blessing to know you. Thank you for being there.